Hey, hi Sumit.
Hi
Yeah.
Shri, how are
Hey, hi.
you?
Very good evening, Sumit. I'm good.
Good
How are
evening.
you, Sumit?
I'm good. I'm good.
So
So
long time we met.
yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah. So I want to talk to you a few things. Before that, I have started publishing my videos in YouTube. So
Mm-hmm.
as we discussed over phone, I want to publish
Yeah, yeah,
our discussion also in YouTube.
correct,
Um,
correct.
right. So a quick introduction about you will be helpful, Sumit.
Yeah. You know, my name is Smith. I'm working in Braintree Technology Solution as an recruitment manager. I have 9 years of experience in US staffing, especially. Though I know a little bit about domestic recruitment as well, but more I was in US staffing, and and it is pretty going on. I mean, it's still I'm in night shift only. I'm working from India for US clients, mostly implementations and direct client as well. So that is what I do.
Okay. Okay. So you said 9 years of experience and you are into US staffing, working in night shift. So all this
Mhm.
9 years you're working in night shift. So I'm sure
Yes.
that you are going to office and you would haven't felt bored by that time. But now being in home, how do you feel, Sumit, working in night shift, being in home?
See, I mean, the scenario or the environment has completely changed. There people are we talk about people, we have colleagues and all. So it is a fun, but in rooms, nobody awake. I'm alone who is working in night, and everyone is sleeping. That that's a little bit challenging for me because nobody is nobody is here to talk in
Hmm.
office. In office there is an environment where everyone is working, everyone is talking, so it is pretty much good rather than sitting in home.
Okay. So what do you prefer, going to office or being in home in future?
See, for me, office is one place where you find your concentration. In home, sometimes you feel okay, you don't need to do this, you don't need to do that. And apart from this office thing, there are multiple things comes in mind. When you are in office, you are in office, you are working office stuff, so that's a completely different environment. And if you ask me personally, I would suggest to go office only. If
Office only.
somebody, yeah, if somebody wants to work from home, they can. I mean, a day in a week, or 2 to 3 days in a month, that is fine. But my preference will be going office.
Going to office. Okay. Nice. Sounds good, Sumit. So in fact, even my preference also going to office, being in home, I feel so much lonely, and sometimes
Yes,
this
in
loneliness kills because we
skills.
can be, inside the house, but not for this much long time. It
Correct,
really kills, it pains,
correct,
right?
correct.
And to a person like me, I like traveling.
Me
So
too.
yeah, so for me, this lockdown really kills. Being inside home, that really kills. So I also prefer going to office, Sumit. So this crisis have killed a lot of jobs also, right, Sumit? So
Hmm.
what's your thoughts on that?
Uh, See, I mean, obviously, this crisis, this pandemic has changed our lives. Many people I know, they have lost their jobs, you know, due to nothing. I mean, there is no reason losing a job than this, COVID thing happened. I tell you few things. Nowadays, what I am, uh, seeing or observed, that many companies, small companies, they have lost their clients. They have, I mean, because end customer is not building their products nowadays, where everyone is focusing for to save themselves first, then they will think about this product and all. Only non IT thing, I mean, is going on, or the essential. market is going on right now, like telecom, food industry, beverages. I mean, what are all essential thing need right now,
Okay.
and that is a, yeah.
Okay. So there are a lot of people looking for jobs these days, Sumit, right? And
Mm-hmm.
a lot of
Mm-hmm.
people in the market as well. Whatever
Mm-hmm.
technology you take, you may get someone. Um,
Mm-hmm.
but I would say that still there are some niche skills which we are not getting in the market. And but still, I like your suggestions and few tips from you for job seekers in this current market.
See, first of all, before this pandemic thing, market was very good. Market was up, so everyone getting their dream jobs, dream packages. Now scenario has changed. People need to think about jobs first rather than going for higher salaries, because many people still thinking that they need that kind of packages, what they were thinking before lockdown or before COVID thing happened.
Yeah.
So for my suggestion would be just go for job first, and then later on think about the salary.
Okay.
Because see, there are two advantages if you are going for the job. First, you are you are brushing your skills. When you will be idle, you will forget things. But when you will do your job, when you write, I mean, anything, if suppose a developer, if they are writing codes, they brush up their skills. New thing will they will learn new things. And if they are sitting idle, they will forget things. Because I have been, I mean, I as a computer science student, I have seen that if I'm not reading any books, or if I'm not reading any concept, or I have read it 6 months ago, and when I open it after 6 months, I thought, okay, I completely forgot this thing, so I need to brush up. So don't do that.
Yeah.
Go with whatever salary you're getting, do your job, and later on when things will happen, everyone will increase the salary.
Yeah,
That
that
is
too. Nowadays, before people say that if you are idle, what will be there in your mind? Devil,
it
right?
devil.
Devil.
Yeah,
But nowadays, what is there? If you are idle, WhatsApp forwards and games in your mobile,
games.
right?
Yes, correct,
So
correct.
better don't be idle and don't spoil your
Yeah,
eyes by seeing
correct.
mobile, because the
And
blue screen in
second
the
thing,
mobile damages your brain, and that
correct,
will
correct,
make you not to sleep, and lot of chemical reaction happens in your body if you keep on seeing the mobile for long time.
correct,
So if we
correct,
are idle, by default these days our hands are directly going and touching the mobile. So that's why whenever I work, I put the mobile aside somewhere else, and
correct,
then I start
correct,
working, so that I don't have
correct,
any distraction in the work. So
correct,
that is something what I do these days when I work from home. I just
correct.
put my mobile aside and I just have my headphones on, and I just
Hmm.
answer the calls whenever I get. Apart from that, I don't look at the mobile. So I just take
That is
it.
a good thing. That is a good thing.
Yeah.
And
So
second thing, apart from this job thing, every job seeker who are sitting idle, go and study something
mm,
which enhance your skills. It
yeah,
could be your life enhancement, it could be your skills enhancement, professional
right,
skills enhancement. So
right.
you need to upgrade yourself. These two things they should do. I mean, I don't force anyone, but for me, if somebody will ask me what to do, I will suggest these two things.
Mm, right. So keep upskilling yourself is what you say.
Yep, correct.
I'm also trying to do, Sumit. So hopefully I'll, come up with something new within myself. Add a new skill in my portfolio, maybe in
Mhm.
next 1 month or so. So let's
That's great.
see that very soon. So thank you so much,
Mhm.
Sumit, for your time. So we will continue talking again. I
Sure, sure.
might call you and disturb you very soon for another session.
No problem, no problem.
Thank you, Sumit. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you, Steve.